Hello, kids! Today we will learn school objects. Let's start! This is a book. I read a book. This is a pencil. I write with a pencil. This is a school bag. I carry my school bag. This is a notebook. I write in a notebook. This is a water bottle. I drink water. This is a pen. I write with a pen. This is a lunchbox. I eat my lunch. This is an eraser. I erase mistakes. This is a scale. I measure with a scale. This is a sharpener. I sharpen a pencil. These are crayons. I color with crayons. This is a marker. I write with a marker. This is a desk. I sit at my desk. This is a chair. I sit on a chair. This is a blackboard. Teacher writes on the board. This is a globe. I see the world. This is a whiteboard. Teacher writes on the whiteboard. This is a map. I find places on a map. This is chalk. I write with chalk. This is a school bus. I go to school by bus. This is a duster. I clean the board. This is a computer. I use a computer. This is a projector. The teacher shows videos with a projector. This is a compass box. I draw shapes. This is a pencil case. I keep my stationery. This is a highlighter. I highlight important words. This is a glue stick. I stick papers. These are scissors. I cut paper. This is a stapler. I staple papers. This is a tape dispenser. I use tape. Great job, kids! Keep learning and have fun!